Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you reverse search an image on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to do this, at first just go to any browser. In this case I'm going to use Google Chrome. Now after going to Google Chrome, just click on this camera lens icon. Now just put it on any image, or just you can go to your gallery to select image. I'm going to gallery to select image. After selecting an image, here you can see you can just search here the things in the image, and the relatable search will be here by reverse search. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching this video.